afraid of farts. 2.
Farts can be the most devastating force on earth. When they're combined with birds, who knows what can happen. I'm Lee Weller. I used to be an LA cop until someone farted on my canary. Now I've devoted my life to hunting down the people who fart on birds. In this program, we've got the most awful accounts of farts on birds caught on tape. Viewer discretion is advised. Bird just wanted some nuts. Someone had another idea.
Or he could fly down, have a bite to eat and leave. He was wrong.
They say birds don't learn quick. In this case, they were right. This one came back, only to discover that his farting friend had not left.
This bird just isn't giving up. He's either very brave or very stupid. But the phantom father isn't giving up either.
This little guy reminds me of a song I knew when I was younger. It's the bluebirds on my shoulder. It's the truth, it's actual, everything is satisfactual. Until this little guy looks too cute. I wonder if something's... He's okay. He's not styled by the first one. The second one got him.
Most of farts can be deadly, as this little guy's about to find out.
And now we reveal the phantom father. It's me. Yes, I'm the one who farts on birds. It was me who farted on my canary. That's why I left the police force, to fart on more birds. Thanks for watching.